In this video, we are going to discuss about the intraday stocks for 24th September 2021 and the day is Friday. Now let's look at Nifty 50. Today, what a fantastic day it was. Now it has given a breakout and well sustained and closed above it. Now this candle, it's clearly a breakout candle. Now we can say that Nifty is in an uncharted territory, which means the previous levels will not work here. Now 18,000 level can come easily, above which 18,280 and above which 18,300, and the farthest most is the 18,500. It's an ultra bullish level, and these are the levels that are found based on the option chain data. Now looking at 1 hour chart, you can see that this was the previous high. It fell and then it recovered sharply, and now it's resting near the top. So if this high is crossed tomorrow, then we can expect 17,880, 18,000 and 18,000 level we can keep a target. Now in lower time frame, you can see that it is trading on a trend line and it's halting near the top. So we can go long, keeping a 20-point stop loss for a target of 17,880 immediately, and 17,800 could be the stop loss for this position. And this is a level which is important, but looking at Nifty, it looks ultra bullish as of now. Now let's look at Bank Nifty. Though it is trading within a range, still within that range, but this candle has marked the uprise, and if this high is crossed, then all-time high can be tested easily, maybe even tomorrow. Now looking at 1 hour chart, you can see, you can spot the W pattern, and it is also trading on a trend line. And if tomorrow this high is crossed, then 38,000 and 38,200 target can be achieved with much ease. And if you go in a lower time frame, there also you can find a trend line which is taking support and it is halting near the top. If this high is crossed, then we can initiate a long position with 37,950 as target or 38,000 as a target, above which 38,200 would be the target. And if it's ultra bullish, then 38,500 levels can come. Now the first stock is RBL Bank. It is near the top and it's kind of a flag breakout. And if this high is crossed, then we can buy above 188 with 2-point stop loss, and 1:2 could be the target. There's a minimum target. We can also expect 1:3 if it moves in a flow. The next stock is Larsen and Toubro. Now you can see that it's on a trend line kind of, and if this high is crossed, we can go long above 1778, or you can wait till 1780, but as and when it is crossed, we can buy with a 8 to 10 point stop loss for a 1:2 target on the upside. Only if it opens flat, if it opens gap up or a big gap down, we will avoid the stock. Now next stock is Tata Consumer, and you can see that it's a high volatile stock at this moment, and that low is also broken, and steadily it is coming down, and it came down and sustained near the low. So if this low is crossed, then we can go short below 848 with 3-point as stop loss and 1:2 target on the downside. The next stock is JSW Steel. You can see that from here it is steadily coming down and it has broken the range and sustained below it. So this level could act as support. but this will be the actual support on the downside. So if this low is crossed, we can go short below 675 with 4 to 5 point as stop loss and 1:2 target on the downside. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.